Hello. Welcome back to our class. In this lesson, we're going to study about the roots of drug administration. Roots of drug administration. Follow me keenly. We'll be talking about two of them today. Then in our next lesson, we'll be also tackling the remaining maybe three of them. So number one of the roots we're going to study about today or in this lesson is from the alimentary canal. From the alimentary canal. Number two, the parenteral roots. Parenteral roots. Okay. When we talk about from the alimentary canal, you also ought to have some informations from anatomy, such that you understand something to do with the digestive system. For you to understand the digestive system, you have to journey from the mouth towards the perineal regions or posterior end. You understand? That's the anus. Now, we have some of the drugs that will only be absorbed alongside the alimentary canal. That's why we're talking about the from alimentary canal to be one of the routes of drug administration. Sawa? Okay. Now, one of them from the alimentary canal, we're having the buccal cavity. Some of the drugs will be only absorbed from the buccal cavity. Number two, we'll be talking about the stomach. Some of the drugs will always be absorbed from the stomach. Number three, we'll talk about the intestines. When it comes to intestines, I have not said intestine. I have said intestines. That means we have more than one. That is the small and the large intestine. I hope you still know that the large intestine is also called the colon. Good. From which we go to the fourth one, which is now the rectum. We have some other drugs that can only be absorbed or work better when it comes to the rectum region. You understand? That is all about when it comes to what we call from the alimentary canal. Number two, which you have to talk about, it is the from parenteral roots. When we talk about parenteral roots, we're talking about things like the IV, intravenous. These are drugs that are journeyed or they are given directly into your own blood through the veins. Such kind of drugs bypasses absorption, because anything that must be absorbed, it must be absorbed into the blood, not elsewhere. But now for such like a route of drug administration bypasses one of the processes, which we are calling the absorption. It goes directly to your blood. Number two, the IM. When we talk about the IM, we're talking about the intramuscular. There's some other drugs that must be injected in your muscles. We have what we call the IT, the intrathecal. You understand? The intrathecal. We're having the ID, intradermal. You understand? Yeah. And we have many more. The remaining, go do research. That will be your own assignment. You understand? We meet next time. Tell me on the comment section. Tell me what are the remaining kind of rules of drug administration under parenteral routes. See you in our next class. Click that thing. Make sure you subscribe. Thank you.